Now, every year the cameras on your iPhone just continue to get better. As Apple releases new iPhones, the hardware on the cameras just get a lot better. But one big part of that is due to software. So in this video, I want to share with you guys a few camera tricks, some of the best camera tricks you probably didn't know about. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so you don't miss another episode. Now, here is a really neat trick for video capturing. If you go into the video mode option here, let's go ahead and put this subject here into frame. Did you know if you press and hold on the video shutter and then you swipe up while you record, you can actually zoom into a subject? I don't know if many users knew about this one, but it's a really neat trick, just like so. You don't have to press on record and then try to zoom in on the screen like so. Again, you can simply press and hold and swipe up, and this will zoom into a subject. Pretty cool trick. Now, when in photo modes, I'm sure most of you know that if you press on the volume up key once, you can take a picture just like so. But did you know if you press and hold on the volume down key while your phone is in photo mode, you can actually start capturing video just like so. As you can see right there, I'm pressing the volume down key. I can release and it stops. Again, I can press and hold the volume down key and it continues to capture video. Another awesome trick here under the Photos extension for your camera. Now, as Apple continues to add more software features to the iPhone, we have this little button up at the top here that sometimes could be hard to tap to reveal additional options and controls for your camera. But did you know that if you actually swipe on the middle of the screen, it's a lot easier to reveal those options just like so? You can swipe up and swipe down to reveal instead of having to tap on this little icon here that sometimes could be a little hard to do. Just swipe up again, reveal all your controls, and swipe down, and you're ready to go. Now, for this next one, I'm going to show you how to capture video on your iPhone while you continue to listen to music. So capture the video and the music at the same time. So right now, obviously, I can't play the music for copyright reasons, but we have music playing here in the background. If we go into the camera application and we go into photo options and we press and hold and swipe to the right, we can actually capture the video. Right there it is, as we capture the music as well. Again, I can't play the music here, but you're gonna have to trust me on this one. Try it out yourself. Again, when music is playing in the background, this will actually capture the actual video. Press and hold, lock to the side, and it'll actually capture the music as well. Now, the new iPhone 13 has great improvements to the camera, right? If we go into video options here, on the top right corner, you no longer have to go to settings to change the resolution. So we have 4K 60 frames. If I click on the 60 frames here, I can drop that to 24. I can also change that to 30. I can also click on the 4K to change that to 1080 HD, as you can see right there. And you no longer have to go to settings to actually change this option. This works on iPhone 12 models and iPhone 13. You can change the resolution again by simply tapping on the top corner right there where the actual numbers lie. And last but not least, the iPhone 13 is capable of macro photography. So if you have a subject and you want to take a micro photo, all you have to do is actually get close to the subject, and you see that little flower on the bottom left corner of the screen. That is the option that will automatically enable, and you can actually tap into this option and enable or disable this particular feature. So we can go ahead and get close to the subject, tap on the flower to remove it or disable it, and enable it again. So yeah, this feature only works if you get close to the subject. As you can see right there, no macro. If we get close, macro enables, and you can actually toggle it on and off. Let me know if you knew these camera tricks for your iPhone. If you have any of your own, I would like to hear from you in those comments down below. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.